Thomas Middle School in Southeast Houston is making big strides and quickly. Under NES, the campus has steadily improved its academic rating and is now proudly sitting at a B. High-quality instruction and engaging learning experiences are driving that growth, and students are feeling the difference. One thing they're especially excited about, the school's DYAD classes. Everything from gardening and photography to fitness and STEM.
The kids get to go twice a week for an hour. We do a rotation so that they get an experience from all of them, but all of the consultants are awesome. So especially at the middle school level, like most of the kids don't know what they don't like until they experience it. And so at first they were like, I don't like gardening, but everyone likes gardening. I'm not good with photography, but once we had a DYAD consultant come in and teach them how to use the camera and so forth, now everybody loves photography. So I think that it's just those once-in-a-lifetime experiences and exposure that DYAD is bringing that really is helping our students.
Wonderful. Do you see the DYAD program expanding in the future years, or is that kind of how does that work?
The kids love it. So as long as we have people who have the experience and want to pour into our kids, we're open to it.
Thomas Middle School, giving students the space to explore new skills and passions in a hands-on way.